guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. I'm actually going to be reviewing a wig that I've already reviewed, but this time this is in the style Alexis and I'm doing it in a shorter length. So I'm going to show you guys everything that came in the box and came included, everything, and then we will get into the review. This wig has lace and stuff in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that before I start to apply it. And I just cut a little bit of the hair off, so it's gonna have a little bit of shedding in the back. All right, let's see how it's looking. So this is what it's looking like. This looks like it has a fake scalp, like for real. This looks great. Like I have on a black wig cap and it still looks like this. Does this have a fake scalp in it? No, it doesn't. Okay. If you watch my channel, like MyFirstWig is under the umbrella of RPG Show, like their sister companies. I've tried more MyFirstWig units over the last like 3 years, and I really love the quality of their wigs, and I love their lace. It really melts. As you guys know, I just did a huge wig sale. Most of the human hair wigs that I still have are from MyFirstWigs. I hate selling them because they're such good quality, and their company is specifically for beginners, or it's very beginner friendly. So highly recommend this company if you're looking for a good quality human hair wig. So this is what it's looking like with the lace still on there. Now I wore her as a middle part last year when I reviewed this wig, so I might wear her as a side part today. Now you see this length is a very wearable length. I believe this is 16 inches. If it's not, I'll just like note it in the description box. So this is what it's looking like in the back. And I'm 6 feet tall, so that's how it falls on me. And y'all, this is a Yaki texture. I think last year I had silky, I think, but it feels amazing. So I am going to attempt to wear it as a side part. Let's see, because this is the only wig I'm reviewing today, so I can like go in with application and styling and stuff. And I have another MyFirstWigs review coming up this month, so stay tuned for that. This texture is gorgeous, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pin it back, and we're gonna lay this lace down. Okay, so I tightened the adjustable elastic band and the straps on this wig, and now it's really flat, but we'll see if I have to add any spray anywhere. But this lace color is so perfect. Like, if these little areas weren't sticking up, you would, it just blends so well.
this. You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. You're doing right by me, I'm doing right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. You're doing right by me, I'm doing right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah.
Alright guys, so here is the final look of Alexis. I think this wig is very, very beautiful. I think they did a great job with this lace. It blends beautifully. I did get light brown, but they do have like other colors depending on the shade that works for you, so definitely check that out. This 130% density is a very natural, everyday density. I don't think I had any issues with shedding or tangling. I think this texture is absolutely gorgeous. In a wig that, I know this style is very plain, but to me, I do like classic, simple styles, especially if the lace is together and it looks very natural. That works for me. I did eventually add a little bit of a curl in the bang area just to give it a little bit more volume. Overall, I think this is an absolutely beautiful wig. I do highly recommend MyFirstWig because I've worked with them several times, and for the most part, I haven't been disappointed with the wigs that I have reviewed from them. I think they have great quality, and this company is for beginners. They do include a lot of things to make the process of applying your wig a lot easier. So if you're a beginner or somebody like me who doesn't want to have to do a lot of stuff with their wig, I do highly recommend this company. Check them out if you haven't already. I'll have links and everything in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to MyFirstWig for sponsoring another video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.